ma 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 moo. Ma ha 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 ha. I'm getting ready. I'm getting ready.
When Dermot told me he wanted to open the National Television Awards with a song, my advice was, don't.
If the country can get behind Ed Balls dancing, surely they can get behind Dermot O'Leary singing.
Ooh.
He's a man of many talents, isn't he?
He's got it all, hasn't he?
Well, apart from one thing.
What's that?
An NTA.
I had a word with Dermot the other day, and I told him to never forget it's all about picking a real crowd pleaser, something to really show off his vocals. But don't worry, that boy knows how to let it shine. Good luck, mate. Pick the right song.
He's opening with an Irish folk song? He can sing, right? He's done this before?
And I think we are almost ready. When I say Dermot, you say... I don't think that's rubbish.
What's up, Dermot? I have some wisdom for you to rock the stage. It's been passed on throughout the years. It's called TOM. That's take over, own the moment, and make your mark. And if you want to open up your shirt to let your chest hairs pop out, you could do that too.
Mr. O'Leary, live in 30 seconds.
Coming.
We are live at the O2 London for television's biggest night of the year. The only TV awards ceremony where who wins is down to you. Stand by. Get ready. It's the 22nd National Television Awards. Please welcome your host for tonight's ceremony, Mr. Dermot O'Leary.
Working, but it just won't work on you.
Ladies and gentlemen, Sir Tom Jones.
Got my mojo working, but it just won't work on you. I wanna love you so bad, I don't know what to do. I'm going down to Louisiana, gonna get me a mojo hand.
Come on. I was never going to sing it on my own. Ladies and gentlemen, Sir Tom Jones! And give it up for my very own NTA band. Yes! Wonderful.